my amazing housemates. I'm Akansha.
I am Tuba.
Thank you so much for joining.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh please. So आज हम एक मस्त चीज कर रहे हैं. वीडियो है Who's most likely to fun challenge है. ये आइडिया एक्चुअली आकांक्षा का था कि हम ये करें. हाँ सब फुटेज खानी है बस. Nothing else. So we're doing this fun challenge. सबसे पहली चीज अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले जाके सब्सक्राइब करो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक एंड टिकटॉक निधि कुमार डांस. एंड आज इनको भी फॉलो करो इंस्टाग्राम पे. इनकी डिटेल्स सारी नीचे है, सो प्लीज गो फॉलो. एंड सो ये एक फन सा चैलेंज है जिसमें हमने अपना ट्विस्ट किया है. सो आकांक्षा एंड टूबा गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हाट आर वी एक्चुअली गोइंग टू डू टुडे.
Okay, so these questions were asked by Nidhi's followers on Instagram. They are really special, obviously, because they are from y'all, and also really scary. So I'm clearly very excited and nervous.
And guys, listen. This is not just like a stupid game that we keep saying around or wo khel rahe. No, it's actually a challenge. You know what is the challenge all about?
What is it?
So we have this mirchi.
Oh.
Okay. So let's see who finishes.
तो बेसिकली who's most, तो हर क्वेश्चन पे जिसके ऊपर भी आएगा the person who's the most likely to, उसको अपनी मिर्ची से एक बाइट खाना है. तो हमने पानी वाली सब सेटल कर लिया है. एंड वन फन फैक्ट, हम दोनों ने आज तक अपनी जिंदगी में मिर्ची नहीं खाई है, बाइट नहीं लिया है.
और मैंने तीखा ही नहीं खाया.
Okay, now are you guys ready?
Yes.
Khamasas. Are you all ready?
All set.
All
Let's do
set.
this. Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Five. Nice. Okay. Nice one. Okay. First question. Okay. Who is most likely to hide and date their ex-boyfriend? And you guys have to be honest, huh? She put her on name.
Yeah, but true story.
But it's, हम अब उसे reveal नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah.
But खाइए मिर्ची मिर्ची मिर्ची.
I'll take this one.
हाँ
ये थोड़ी कम green है क्या?
कम दे.
Okay. So I'm gonna take the first bite of the mirchi.
छोटी सी खाई हाँ. We don't want you to die. इसने टिप खाया है. एहसान किया हम पे. Thank you.
Eat the stem. Why even try? Anyway.
Okay, next question. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. Okay. Who is more? Now this is very interesting. Okay. Who is most likely to commit a murder and get away with it? And get away with it. I think.
I'm so confused, but yeah.
I think all three.
I just feel she's most capable to, firstly, to murder someone. So I think we would not even reach that.
How the anger level you mean to say?
Yeah,
I
basically.
get
And
it.
you realize this is my YouTube channel, right?
This is roasting Nidhi live.
You don't have to tell all this on camera.
No,
Oh my
it's okay.
God.
It's okay. Fans should know you. I'm thinking version of Nidhi Kumar.
नहीं guys, मेरा एंगर इतना नहीं है. कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं ये लोग. What crap? Okay, but I think ये दोनों की मिली भगत है. मुझे चिल्ली है. Shut. Okay, I'm gonna do this.
Hi, Mirchi.
Don't touch your eyes.
That's right. Corona.
Oh my God. Okay. Okay, this was fine. Okay, next question. अभी तो स्पाइस आएगा थोड़ा सा in our lives. Number 3. Okay, this is a fun one. Who is most likely to eat a whole pizza by themselves? Now this I have to think. She doesn't have an appetite. She doesn't like pizza. So I think it has to. Okay, it's me. Hey, this is no. This is become Nidhi Kumar challenge.
No, but it's
ये
true.
दिखती है वैसी बड़ी बहुत खाती है. She is double of what I eat. Not even double, I think 4 times.
Yeah, but it's true.
Yeah, she eats
It's
a lot.
Nidhi.
Come on.
Yeah. Come on.
Come on. Oh God, guys. Okay, मुझे पानी देना, मैं इसके. ये बड़ा वाइट हो गया ना, पानी दे दे. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
She's also trying to promote and
Oh
reward us.
my God, it's spicy. Oh my God, it's spicy.
Is it?
We should
I'm
also,
sure it is, but
we should have also kept chocolates around.
तो ले आती ना फिर चॉकलेट्स मेरे लिए. आइडिया दिया है मतलब. Oh God, guys, I think ये इन दोनों की मिली भगत है. These two are going to take over my channel after I die.
But I think these are your questions, like your followers' questions. So you should tell them because they're making you eat mirchi.
That's actually true, guys. I hate y'all. आप लोगों ने, I think, I don't know what is going on. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay. Ooh, controversial. Ooh, okay. Who is most likely to kiss a person they just met? I think I know.
I
Let's see. Let's see. Yes. Oh.
Come on, mirchi.
No, I'm having three. कौन है?
Mirchi.
No, Akku is
No.
I know.
It's Nidhi. It's Nidhi.
yeah, like I had to like think about it, but I think so.
I don't know all of this.
Yeah, we don't. But if
We have a conditional clause and I got third bite of mirchi. पानी
Oh
का
God, ये
ऐसा-
जल रहा है यार already. तुम दोनों hate y'all.
it's okay. Drink.
Okay, I remember बचपन में से नकली वाली मिर्ची मिलती थी वो खाने वाली. You would have tried that.
She doesn't want to listen to your story. okay. Last time we'll say Nidhi. After this.
इसके बाद निधि रहेगी तो भी will be like नहीं no निधि.
Maybe we should get like chocolate.
Oh God. मेरे आँखों से पानी आ रहा है now. It's become a
Should I
little
get
much.
chocolate? Do you want chocolate? This is not fun at all anymore.
We should
Oh.
We just have to
अब तो मैं तुझे इतनी मिर्ची खिलाती हूँ. Wait a moment. Question number 5. I'm a little fine, guys. Okay, let's go. Who is most likely to take the longest to dress up for an occasion? But I'm confused between two. Because I know it's not me.
Yeah.
It's not
It's
me.
not Nidhi,
100%.
but
Today the most.
yeah. So
Yeah. I think you should tell them.
yeah. So clearly, Tuba.
Tuba. Bye, Akku. Can you explain?
Because
No,
she
it's
took the longest to get ready just for this video. So yeah.
पता नहीं किसको impress करना है इसको.
Clearly,
She's-
Nidhi Kumar's fans.
It's
it's her. It's her.
100%.
It's all for the fans.
That's all for the fans.
Okay, come on.
Can I have
Eat it for the
chocolate
fans.
bite?
Eat it for the
Can
fans.
I have a chocolate bite instead of a mirchi bite?
खा ले भाई,
Come
खा
on.
ले यार. Ooh, it's a big. She's eating this much of it.
Such a cheater. Horrible. Okay, come on.
Horrible. Okay, next question, guys.
Guys, stop.
हाँ,
Akku को
हाँ,
करो.
done.
You are so disgusting.
Next, so
हर चीज में आपको कोई एक भी बात नहीं खाया. What crap is this? Okay. Okay. Who is most likely? Okay, this I think we got it. Who is most likely to get married first? I think we all know the answer to this.
I'm the youngest, but it's definitely me.
It is definitely her. I am gonna die alone.
she can marry tomorrow also.
Yeah, she will.
Ah.
I think she. So
For
on
mirchi.
any by the way, just a announcement. If there are any eligible bachelors for
DM for stars.
DM for Rishtas, you can DM me or you can
Guys,
DM
it's
her.
a joke.
No, it's not.
It's a joke.
Why not?
Please don't
Don't
DM me.
She's like, don't DM.
Okay, come on, let's just.
Now let's have it. Let's go. Come on, Akku.
I'm
Akansha
not shivering.
loves
I don't know do this.
Akansha loves mirchi.
Oh God, ऐसे bite करते हैं, ठीक है? First bite is fine. First bite को कुछ नहीं होगा. When you hit the tip, कुछ
No,
नहीं
it's
होगा.
like eating grass.
Ah.
It's just that weird. Okay.
Tip को कुछ नहीं होगा.
Next
चलो, next question. Next question is. Ooh, controversial question, guys. Who is most likely to cheat in a relationship? Honestly, I don't think any of us.
Yeah,
From what I
so I'm
know.
just.
We're very loyal, I think.
I think all three of us are very loyal.
So
Like,
it's no.
yeah, no.
Yeah.
I
It's
think
mirchi.
it's
It's mirchi.
it's that was very little too lame. A little bit.
No, it's not.
It was-
Mirchi is cheating.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
no.
None of us. I think none of us will cheat. Okay. हम लोग कुछ ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट हो जाते हैं. That's why our hearts get broken. Sorry, I went into another tangent. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go. Who is most likely to fall in front of their crush? The most clumsy one, basically. I think it has to be. It definitely can't be me.
To fall in front of crush.
I think
I think like embarrass yourself. But I think that would probably
That
be
is than
you.
you. But I
Because
have a question.
Thanks!
But I have a question in
What?
this. You have a lot of crush, so.
That's also true. So I'll basically keep falling.
keep.
You will- Yeah.
Okay. तो दो बाइट ले इसके लिए.
Let me see if she's not cheating. हाँ देख ऐसे बाइट ले जल्दी. Tuba Ansari.
Hmm.
Perfect. Let's.
Oh, okay. The aftertaste.
Aftertaste
is nice.
पानी चाहिए.
No.
Better. Let's go. Next question. Who is most likely to go skinny dipping?
Mirchi. Mirchi. Okay, guys, now this is exciting.
I think अब बहुत टाइम हो गया खाए हुए तो I think अब नहीं होगा.
Should put salt in also for you.
There's a little okay. There's a little okay. क्योंकि वो तीन back to back खाए थे ना तो मैं पागल हो गई. But you know what the thing is hitting the throat like crazy.
Don't worry, coronavirus will go.
Guys, I think कल मेरी आवाज चली गई क्योंकि अभी इतनी मिर्ची हो गई है मेरे throat में that it's like hurting. My throat is hurting. Let's move on. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Okay, damn, I thought it'd been better, but it's not.
Yeah, I told you. Aftertaste is damn nice.
Oh god. Okay. Let's move on. Who is most likely to litter? I think Tuba Ansari. मतलब हम दोनों इसके नौकर हैं. ये अपना डोमिनोज का पैकेट पूरा फिल विद पिज्जा ऐसे नीचे रख देती है और हमें जाके फेंकना पड़ता है बाहर.
Please, guys, help us. Like, come home and help us.
And then who gets a cleaner home?
Oh, thanks. Thank you. अपना कचरा साफ करने के लिए क्लीनर ले आते हैं.
Can I
Thank
have
you.
mirchi?
Yeah, may I have? Yes, this was a good fight. Good.
She's still at the start.
Mirchi is very bada wala, so.
Oh god.
Okay.
Oh, my throat is hurting. Okay. Okay. We finished with 10 questions. Now we have only 5 more to go. Okay. So, okay. Who is most likely to date their friend's ex?
Friend's ex.
Friend's ex.
Okay.
I'm just thinking.
Friends?
I think none of
Yeah,
us
I
might,
don't-
but
Like,
I don't think we should let this. I don't think any of us will, but I don't think we should just do it for the sake of it.
No, there's no one.
I
There's
don't-
no
I don't
one.
think my friend ka ex.
We don't take throwaways.
With, okay. Next question.
also we
Next
tend to
question.
hate everyone's ex-boyfriends, so I think that just won't happen.
That's true. That's true. Okay, this is fun. इसका जवाब हम ये दोनों क्वेश्चन सुनते ही आधा क्वेश्चन ही पता होगा इनको. Okay. Who is most likely to be drunk during quarantine? Miss Akansha, because
Because she's the beauty of the
she's a
house.
baby. She's an alcoholic.
Thanks,
Okay. She's the youngest, but she's an alcoholic and also.
Mama, they are lying. It's not true.
And we don't drink, we don't even touch.
We don't drink. She's the
But हम दोनों का
alcoholic.
हिस्से का भी ये पी लेती है.
That's true. Also, by the way, you also know that she's from Goa. So I think more inherent
Oh, very nice.
stereotype. Hashtag stereotype.
Mirchi, go on.
Oh, that was a big bite.
I'm wondering water.
Oh damn. Guys, मेरा पेट खराब हो रहा है यार. Oh, मेरा पेट खराब हो रहा Okay. Who is most likely to embarrass themselves in public? I think.
It's red.
Oh my God.
It's Nidhi.
Why? I want to know this. The reason is maybe. Why?
There is no second question.
They both did Nidhi, but why they don't know? Why? I
There is
want to
no-
know reason.
There is no second
No,
question.
I
mean, it's
feel-
obvious.
I feel.
I was gonna say something, then you whacked me with your hands. So I got it confused.
I'm so
Okay.
sorry.
You're just very spontaneous, so I think you would probably just do something and
And then realize why did you do it?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense.
That's probably the
Yeah,
reason
that's
why.
Okay, next question.
Mirchi, mirchi.
Mirchi.
Come on.
इसको मिर्ची याद रहता है बहुत मेरे okay I think guys my stomach is hurting like legit like comment
We'll take it coke legan after this first mirchi.
Oh God.
I don't think I should have again
It's good for a night drive just well.
no my stomach is hurting yeah like I'm not even kidding actually it's like
That was quite big time.
Yeah.
It's just like not.
You feel better?
It's like I can't even see myself. This is so difficult. How do people do this?
see I mean this is my job every day can you guys I'm okay let's go so next question who is oh my god this is little dark I think who is most this is very dark who is most likely to end up alone I think
I think so. I mean because
The way
It's
you live
true.
your life, I'm sure.
It's true. I think obviously now this is kind of a serious question, but I mean even they know because they know me very well. But so my biggest fear, I'm gonna say it out loud. I mean I think since I was pretty young, my biggest fear was always that I will end up alone. I mean like in sense, and then after that when I grew up, the experiences that I had, उन्होंने और भी firm कर दिया कि I think I might. But I think I have these two, so I don't think I'll end up
सब
alone.
झूठ बोल रही है just because she's in front of camera. The main reason is she's always super confused between किससे प्यार करूं, कैसे प्यार करूं, तू
अच्छा,
भी है, वो भी है, ये भी है.
Guys कुछ भी बोल रही है ये.
Akansha, do you agree with me
No,
on that?
I don't. What? Grab.
What for?
No, nothing like that. I was in a very, very serious relationship for a very long time. Okay, और जिसको मुझे लगा था कि मैं शादी करूँ.
Okay.
अब
So,
sorry,
okay,
sorry,
next
sorry,
question.
sorry,
Okay,
sorry.
okay.
Sorry,
Okay,
sorry.
चलो, चलो.
So, अच्छा guys, questions खत्म हो गए by the way, but like I said, अभी सारे questions मैंने पूछे थे, but now one question, the final banger one will be asked by either one of them. So who will ask?
Anas.
You will ask? Okay. Let's.
Okay, so this is a very funny question in fact.
She's very lame, so I hope it's funny, yeah? If it's not, then you should
I'm the
know.
comedian of the house. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a very funny question.
Okay.
Okay, and because it's obviously Nidhi's
ये
channel.
भी मैंने chili नहीं खाई ना?
Oh, what? No.
There you
Did
have.
I have chili? No, I didn't have chili.
तू खा वापस.
See, I'm such a this is.
ये मेरा वाला है निधि, तेरा
अच्छा.
वाला ये है.
See, this is integrity. जब नहीं खाया तो
अरे खा.
चलो. Yeah, good.
Yo.
खा. और खा चली.
Please listen to the question very properly. Who's more likely?
अगर ये funny नहीं हुआ ना, अगर ये funny नहीं हुआ
Okay.
आपको,
I'm nervous.
अगर मैं 2 दिन तक ऑनलाइन नहीं कुछ समझ जाना कि मेरा किसी ने खून कर दिया.
हाँ, मैं खून कर दूँ.
Who's more likely to prove her past experience as an Ola driver just to ask you to give her a new car to drive?
What nonsense.
That is such a personal attack.
Come on, come on,
That
come
is such a personal attack.
on. Come on.
Because this is. Oh, sorry. That's really.
Come on.
But yeah, this has just happened. Like,
So Akansha will tell you exactly what happened. Please, Akansha.
she drives quite a bit
Thanks.
back into back. Dubai, and here she obviously does not have a car, so she really misses driving. And Tuba here has a car, and Tuba is obviously very protective.
Yeah.
I think anyone who has a car is protected.
And so basically that's what it is. I mean,
I begged her that
yeah,
day.
Nidhi
Please tell the exact thing.
and begged her
Yeah.
and told her that please let me drive your car. And
Akku backed me up, by the way.
No guys, so it was my new car and she was like, please, please, please let me drive. And I was all very rigid, like, नहीं मेरी नई गाड़ी है, ठोक देगी, ये कर देगी. So she had to basically convince me. So she went back like, मैं 8 साल से 10 घंटे दुबई में गाड़ी चला रही हूँ.
That is true!
Like imagine Nidhi Kumar dance was technically not dancing. She was an Ola driver back in Dubai.
yeah, so
Hey, but I was going for work. I used to work a lot in Dubai.
10 hours who drives an Ola guy, man.
Easy. मुझे ओला ड्राइवर बना दिया इन लोगों ने.
It's early life, you know, Wikipedia पे होता है early life. Nidhi Kumar's early life is
ओला ड्राइवर.
Ola driver.
okay.
Perfect. So, I'm not having a chili for this one. Thanks. नहीं
Yeah,
खाई.
this was
नहीं.
like a personal,
मतलब-
like we knew.
This was an attack. This was an attack. मतलब निधि को मारो पकड़ के. So, guys, thank you so much. I hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो. सबसे पहली चीज आपको ये करनी है, आपको मुझे कमेंट में बताना है कि अगर आपको और वीडियोस चाहिए मेरे हाउसमेट के साथ, क्योंकि अगर चाहिए, अगर आप लोगों ने कमेंट किया तो मैं इससे करवा कर ही रहूंगी. एंड थैंक यू सो मच. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब. एंड आप लोगों को कुछ बोलना है तो बोलिए प्लीज. अच्छी चीज है मेरे बारे में. बोलिए.
Like, share, subscribe. Me and Akansha or Nidhi.
अरे कुछ तो बोलने दे यार, वो भी बोल दिया.
Ta-da!
Yeah, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. I've always wanted to say this, but
Aw.
yeah.
Aw.
Please like
and share.
and subscribe.
Yay! I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow all of us on our handles. They are below. And that's about it. Nidhi Kumar signing off. And